Greetings from WordPress Theme. We are going to import and install Edhub, Education WordPress Theme. Go to Appearance and click Add Theme. Then click Upload Theme. Upload zip file to import demo. Click Install now. Wait few seconds. Activate the theme now. Now install and activate all required plugins. Click Begin installing plugins. Select all and apply settings, then install. Activate all plugins. Now we will install demo content. Go to RT Demo Importer and click Install Demo Content. Choose your demo and click Install. Please wait for a moment and it will take some time. Great! Your demo content is imported. You can see all the demo features are working fine. I hope you enjoy the walkthrough. You can try other demo layouts in this theme. Thanks for watching.